I have basically 1 hour at Cedar Point to eat a meal and ride 2 rides. Can I do it? We'll find out. I hope you're ready. I hope you're excited. Let's go. Now, today is the ARC Ohio Day. I'm not really sure what that means, if it's like a company that kind of bought it out for the day or had a lot of people doing it today. I'm not sure, but that is officially what the day is. I do know also I have a friend here today who's a music teacher. He's been on video before, who had his kids here today. Now, the 2 rides that I need to hit today are Raptor and Steel Vengeance, but they are the 2 rides I have not yet ridden here at Cedar Point. So they're going to be big rides. Can I do it in an hour? It's definitely a question. All right, we are on our way into Raptor right now. All right, so we got Taylor, we got my buddy Zach, and I don't know your name.
That's Kurt.
Kurt, hi Kurt. All right, so we're all hanging out and on our way into Raptor. Let's go. Also, sorry if it doesn't sound good. I have a different mic, and it really has a different kind of a sound to it. It also, I think, is a limiter, so sometimes it cuts out. I just wanted to try it on this video, but we might have to go back to the roads. Let's go. All right, I realize these pieces of crap were not working, so we're not going to use those anymore. We did see that Zach did leave. We got done with Raptor. Raptor was great. It was very, very fun. They liked it too, I think, right?
Definitely.
Since you weren't on the, there wasn't a, I have your faces nodding, but that's all I have. And now we're here at Backbeat grabbing some food. Second part of our day, let's go. First of all, I haven't tried the wedges, so I wanted to try these. Tastes pretty normal, but
eat what you want to do.
I also wanted to try the wings. They have these wings that are their chef's special. So I wanted to try those and see what they're like. So let's see what they're like. These are delicious.
Water.
They've got a very sweet but also spicy taste to them.
Pretty good.
They're very good. Ooh, they have like a zing that goes up into my nose. I'm not a huge wing fan. If I'm gonna get wings, like at B-Dubs, I always get the boneless. So I don't love it when they're on here.
Blasphemy.
But
here, Kurt, split this with me.
They're still very good. Definitely messy.
No. I'm not gonna eat it.
I feel a little bit like a heathen eating this. But
very barbarian.
I am a barbarian. I look like a barbarian too, but I was very hungry, and these will definitely do the trick. Less of a shareable meal than some of the meals that they've had, but still definitely very good. All right, so now we got Drew and Yoko with us. We're having really good conversation, but we have to go to Steel Vengeance, so we have very, very little time, but let's go. All right, I didn't realize they had it right here, but it says right here, Fast Lane sold here. I was planning on going back into Frontier Town to buy it, or to get it, but let's go. All right, we are on our way down to Steel Vengeance. I keep wanting to say Top Thrill too. This is our last ride of the night. We have about 45 minutes though to get into it. This is my first time riding Steel Vengeance. This is my first time riding Steel Vengeance this year. I'm very excited to do it, but man, let's get into it. And I'm amazed in an hour. Like, we even spent a pretty decent amount of time. We all ate, and then Drew and Yoko came and joined us, and they ate too. So we had a little bit of time. We are using my fast lane for this, but it's the last thing of the night, so we would not need to use fast lane. We could wait in our 15-minute line or whatever we wanted to wait in. So And who knows, maybe we'll even do that. But definitely fun. Let's go. All right, so here we are at Steel Vengeance. All right, so the line is, wow, really big back here. Surprisingly big. Let me document this real fast. They do have the fast lane kiosk right over here for you to sign in.
Break 30 minutes in.
All right, we're almost here at the lockers. It's not been too long of a wait. That's good. It's been 10 minutes right about now. The real kicker is that it's still going to be 10 minutes once we get past the lockers on the other side. So that's the real issue, is it still takes quite a while, even with fast lane. This is a terrible fast lane to use, but I wanted to for tonight. Now, the cool thing for this ride is that you can get into line for it one way or another at the end of the night, no matter whether you have a fast lane or not. So regardless, anybody could have ridden both of these rides tonight, because as long as you can get in line at 8:59, the park closes at 9 o'clock, then you can get in line for this ride or any other ride here at Cedar Point, unless they have decided to close that line a little bit early, which is a rarity. It's not something that happens very often, but it is something that does happen from time to time. Like it happened mostly during COVID. I'm just not discounting that it could ever happen again. If it does though, and I find out on this channel, you can definitely count on that I will let you know on this channel that a certain ride is closing early or things like that, or that I'm seeing a pattern of that. One more reason for you to subscribe and press that like button. All right, here is the locker. So you do have to rent these lockers, or at least it says rent, but it does not cost anything. Everything has to go in your locker though. Your hat, glasses, if they don't have a strap, and anything in your pockets. It's very much like TT2, this is just free. All right, and we're off. That's such a great ride. Woo! Yeah. So much fun. You weren't playing my game. I went, woo, and you were supposed to go, woo! All right, that is such a great ride. So much fun. And we got a lot done in an hour, 1 hour. Now, I was told that today was crazy busy, but by the time I got here anyway, everything was like 15 minutes. And you say it wasn't busy.
It wasn't busy.
Okay, yeah. So online, a whole bunch of people said it was really busy. I think what that was all the school groups came in all at one time. So the front of the park was insane at the beginning of the day. Okay, was that what the ARC thing was? ARC Day? Okay. We have ARC in Fort Wayne too. I thought maybe it was the same, but I wasn't sure.
There were a lot of people with special needs.
Gotcha.
When we got here, and then they all kind of fizzled out.
So it's like, a lot of times if crowds are everywhere in one spot, it's kind of good to move. And that's something that's good on the app. You can use the app to kind of gauge where you actually should go to get kind of away from crowds. If lines are really, really long in front of the park, go to the back. Usually you'll find something a little bit different. Unless it's just a crazy busy day, and in that case it's different. But again, that's how the app will help you out with that. All right, it is time to get out onto the beach. It has been a hot day all day today. Yeah, let's go. I'm the only cool one that'll go shirtless. Right? Oh, that's pretty. Just gonna see what you guys are doing.
Trent's not going live.
Trent's not going live? Yeah.
Nah.
So then she wants to go on.
I don't have enough time.
And I'm like, I guess I'll go with you.
Yep.
So Drew started a live stream now. We're here with Taylor, and we are ending our night. So thank you guys so much for hanging out. I'm gonna walk down the beach a little bit. So thank you guys so much for hanging out, and let's go.
Big dog! Big dog! Trent didn't even look. I was trying to get Trent's attention.
Why were you trying to get my attention?
Yeah, buddy!
Nice.
But from the campground entrance, I could. So
Let's go hop in that pool.
We got the puppy too.
Harry, he was before.
Harry? Yes, you do.
And then we got the spike.
Hey,
My eyes.
Look at it running.
Top Thril's running right now.
You guys are evil.
We're just lying.
Yoko, when am I gonna sleep on your balcony? That balcony.
I was like, what the hell?
No, we said that we were gonna, sometime they were gonna get one of these and I was gonna sleep on it. That's a lot of money though for those.
Can I sleep in the bathroom?
There's a lot of money for those. Hey, with my light on this thing, you look fluorescent.
No, I felt blinded just now.
Love the beach at night. So fun to be out here at night. But it's about time to head out for the night because I gotta be back at work in the morning. So thanks for watching. Press that subscribe button, all that kind of stuff if you guys haven't yet. Also, remember June 8th is our meet and greet here at Cedar Point. So check that out. Drew and Yoko are planning that for me. Go follow them also. You can follow, you can find more details on my Instagram also. We'll put more stuff out soon too. So, but thank you guys so much for hanging out. Let's go.
Cedar Point, not back into Cedar Point.
To go use the bathrooms at the front.
Which I'm gonna do again.
They said technically no.
Big security.
I'm coming down from that buzz. I feel better now, guys.
Right here.
That's
Also,
good.
there's a bar at the Hotel Breakers.
I can. Wow, that gets a really good view of it. Shh. You might spook them. The bugs are way better than they were, but wow. That's still disgusting. And there's gonna be more. I mean, not of these, but of other bugs in a little bit here. These guys did not know this, but so I'm sharing it now. You can park down here. Right down here, you can park. So if you guys wanted to park down here, you just tell them that you want to park in the beach parking lot. They'll also send you down here if they need overflow parking. Hey, thanks for watching. I release theme park related videos at least a couple times a week, so press that subscribe button if you made it this far. Also, check out similar videos in the playlist to the right or find my newest video to the left. Thanks again, and let's go!